Hi, it's Millie with WTI, and I want to show you the coolest meat tenderizing tool from Gourmet Easy. One of my favorite things about this tool is that it's not bulky like the traditional meat tenderizing tool. It's compact and able to fit into any drawer. This is built beautifully. It's strong, it's durable, and easy to clean. I was able to tenderize chicken, pork chops, steak. I really appreciate the look of this. It's beautiful stainless steel. The blades on this tool are super sharp, but it also has this cool safety feature that doesn't allow sharp blades to be exposed. So you don't have to worry about hurting your fingers when using this item. Another great feature is that it's dishwasher safe. So I can rinse it in the sink and then just pop it into the dishwasher, and I know that it's going to come out clean. So if you're looking for a meat tenderizer to either replace the old one or to get a new one, I highly recommend this meat tenderizing tool from Gourmet Easy. And that's my point of view.